Hello everybody. I want to show you a quick video of my OS X installation on my PC. As you can see, not a Mac, PC. This is OS X 86 10.5.8. Yeah, there. This is the iDNM version, like you just saw. This is actually 100% stable. I've tested everything that you can possibly test on this, and everything's stable. Here's your dock down here with all your icons and all that stuff. I'm really liking this, actually. I don't think I'll ever use anything other than this ever again. The thing I like about it is when you get a new notification, like let's say an instant message pops up, I can get the dock will have the icon down here and it will bounce. And if you get a new instant message or an email, like let's say for instance I would get a little red 1 up here if I got one new instant message, and it will bounce, letting me know that there's a instant message in there. Same thing with the mail right here. There's the mail. There, you can see it. My camera's crappy. Another thing I like about this too is the iCalendar. You can see it's really fast. You can put all your dates and stuff in here and reminders and all that. I really like it, and it synchronizes too. I got a few programs installed so far. I don't got that much yet. WoW addiction. Okay, now the other thing I like about this is the widgets. Kind of like the Windows ones, except for better. Got your calculator. Got your date. Got your weather. You got your clock. This one I added from the widget site. The other thing I like about it is the spaces. I can basically take a window that's open and drag it over to a different desktop. Kind of like Linux. Except for their version is a lot more refined on here. It's really nice. And I like the way the windows minimize on this too. As you can see, they kind of can't really see that now. They do that. When you bring them up too, they do the same thing. This is a really good operating system. Mac or Apple did a really good job. They have a newer version called Snow Leopard. I don't see a reason to install it, and since this one works fine. There's not really a lot of things that are different in it. It might be a bit faster, that's all I know about it. Oh, Safari. I love Safari now. It reminds me of Google Chrome by the speed of it, but when I want to tab, it shows all the windows that I've had. You can see that. With all the spaces I've been, like Facebook. See how fast that loaded? I like that a lot. Safari is really good. Oh, and see, I got a new message, and it bounced, and there was one new message. Well, this is a short look at this, but I'll have more in depth later. But this is basically how it works. It's fast. Like, let's say for instance, World of Warcraft used to take a little bit to load, and now it's really quick on here. get it open. Oh, I moved it, that's why. But World of Warcraft is really quick to load. See that? The launcher loaded really quick. I'll load it up real quick. Okay. This is a lot quicker than it loaded for Windows. See that? Everything. It loads really quick. And I'll log into a trial account since mine's not